Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be another hair tutorial. Y'all already know I love me a good hair tutorial. I like to change my hair frequently, so y'all gonna see me in different hairstyles frequently. But I got me some new taping extensions from Yilite. This is my first time trying their hair and I'm super excited. I can't wait to show y'all the process and how I was able to achieve this look, so let's get into it real quick. So to make the install easy, use your finger as a guide to place the tape in. You don't want to put the tape in too close to the scalp because it's going to be uncomfortable, so try to put it at least an inch away. Once you place the tape in, make sure you press the hair down, that way it's attached to your hair, and then sandwich the hair with another tape in. As you can see, it's super secured and it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, so now I'm going to put some hair down and then do the next layer, which is basically the next section right here. Actually no, that's a good spot right there. We're gonna leave it right there. Hair is parted, so I'm gonna put it like right here. So I like to put my finger right here and then just place it, so when you lift it, it's not in the way. So you want to make sure you put a finger and then you place it right there. One thing I really love about these extensions is that it's super flat. That looks super flat. I almost forgot to mention, make sure that your natural hair is washed. You don't want your hair to be super oily because then the tape is not going to be attached properly and it's not going to last long. So just make sure that your natural hair is washed and is clean. Okay, so when it comes to sandwiching the tape-ins together, use your finger to guide the other tape-in because I know this part can be a little tricky. You want to make sure that both tape-ins is aligned and it's not crooked. So just make sure you use your finger and it won't be that hard to find where it's supposed to be placed. It's so crazy how this is my first time with highlights and it looks so good. I honestly feel like this might be the color of the summer because I just needed something new and I just feel like this is like the best option. I always do black, so it's time to change it up. One thing I love is that it came with extra tapes, so you don't have to go out and buy any because it comes with it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing this side and then come back to y'all when I'm done. By the way, this is 22 inches and it looks longer than that. It looks like it's 24, 26, but once I'm done, I'll show you guys exactly how long it is. So I just finished installing the hair. It looks so good. I'll do like a separate video curling it so you guys can see how it looks curled. So now I'm going to get into the styling process. I wanted to curl it, but I really like it straight and I wanted to rock it like this for a few days. And then I want to curl it because I really want to see how it looks curled because I already know it's going to look so good, but it looks good straight too. So we're going to go ahead and straighten. For anyone that was wondering, this is 100% virgin hair. As soon as I took the hair out the box, I already knew this hair was going to be good quality because it's nice and soft. And I can tell it's not going to get easily tangled because it's super straight. I will have all their information down below. Now, when it comes to taking care of the hair and washing it, try to avoid putting hot water onto the hair and using shampoos that have alcohol. I like to use the conditioner more than the shampoo just so the hair can stay nice and soft. This hair is actually perfect for anyone that has thin hair, thick hair. So if you have thin hair, this is going to give you the volume that you're looking for. And it's also not going to damage your natural hair because it's lightweight, firm, and comfortable. And of course, if you have thicker hair, you can still use the hair and, use less of the tape-ins. Or if you like the thicker look, you can use all of it. They also have many other colors when it comes to tape-ins, as well as other types of hair like clip-ins, I-tip. I-tip extensions is basically individual strands of hair attached to a keratin tip. So this is the final look. Y'all cannot tell me this does not look good. Y'all see this? Wow. And I was a little worried because my hair is obviously black. I felt like it was gonna be too much black on the top, but this is like the perfect amount. This is my first time with highlights and I'm loving it. I love how the tracks is super flat, like it's just laying down so effortlessly, and it's just perfect. I love the color so much. It moves around, it's not stiff at all. Gotta make sure it's not stiff, okay? I love hair that is nice and soft. Like if it's nice and soft and flowy and it just moves with the wind, that's the type of hair I need. It's super long, super flat, and it's not gonna go anywhere. Yeah, it's super secure. I love it. I used all 3 boxes, but it was still some hair left. If you want like a thicker, fuller look, you can definitely use all of it. But if you want like minimum amounts of thickness, then I definitely recommend not putting too much of it. This looks so pretty, y'all. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for anyone that, you know, struggles with putting on tape-ins or just never tried tape-ins before. Let me know if you guys would try it, if you guys like it, and then for the ones that have tried it, let me know how you guys feel about it. I love it. It's just very time consuming. So that is it for today's video. Definitely let me know your thoughts down below on the hair, if you guys like it or not.